If you're sending something with USPS Priority Mail Express, you'll need to fill out a shipping label the right way. Let's walk through it step by step. Start with the recipient's information. In the large center section of the label, write or type the full name of the person or business you're mailing to. If it's a company, include the organization name. Add the street address or the P.O. box, but not both. Be sure to include apartment, suite, or unit numbers if they apply. And don't forget directional details like north or west if they're part of the address. Next, fill in the return address. This goes in the upper left corner or in the From box if you're using a USPS provided label. Your return address tells USPS where the package is coming from and ensures it gets back to you if delivery isn't possible. Always print clearly using a dark pen or marker so it's easy to read. Once both addresses are in place, move on to the details for your shipment. For domestic deliveries, the label already includes tracking at no extra cost. If you're mailing internationally or to a military address, you may also need to attach customs forms. Military addresses are a little different. Use the APO, FPO, or DPO designation instead of the city, and use AA, AE, or AP in the state field. Always double-check that the ZIP+4 code is correct. If you don't want to handwrite the label, you can create and pay for it online with Click and Ship, then print it at home. That's often easier because your information is already typed and the barcode prints cleanly for scanning. After the label is printed and attached to your package, make sure it's secure and visible. Don't cover the barcode with tape. You can then drop the package off at any post office, put it in a collection box if it fits, or even schedule a free pickup through USPS online. And that's it.